In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect and disconnect a bank account. By the end, you'll know exactly how to link your bank, so transactions flow in automatically, and how to safely remove that connection when you're done. Let's start by connecting your bank. From the left sidebar, open Bank Connections. This is where all your linked accounts live. If it's your first time, the page may look empty. That's normal. Click Connect Bank Account to begin. You'll see a search box. Type the name of your bank and select it from the results. If your bank has multiple versions or regional names, choose the one that matches your account. If you don't see it right away, try a short version of the name or a common abbreviation. Next, you'll be prompted to sign in to your bank. Enter your bank login details in the secure window. Depending on your bank, you may be asked to verify a code or approve the sign-in through your banking app. Keep your phone or email handy for that step. Remember, you're authenticating directly with your bank. Never share your credentials with anyone else, and only enter them in this secure prompt. After you're signed in, you'll see a list of accounts available to connect. Choose the specific account or accounts you want to sync, like checking or savings. If you manage multiple accounts, select just what you need. This helps keep your feed focused. When you're ready, click Connect to finish. Once connected, transactions will auto-import. The first sync can take a few minutes as recent history is pulled in. After that, new transactions come in automatically on a regular schedule. If you're not seeing something right away, give it a moment, then refresh. You can start reviewing, categorizing, or reconciling items as they appear. Keep in mind that the initial look-back period depends on your bank's policies. Now, let's cover how to disconnect a bank account. Go back to Bank Connections in the left sidebar. Find the connected account you want to remove. Click Settings or Manage next to that account, then choose Disconnect. You'll be asked to confirm, approve the action to proceed. When you disconnect, the bank account is removed and it stops importing new transactions. Your previously imported data typically remains in your records unless you choose to delete it, so your history stays intact. If you need the account again later, you can reconnect by repeating the same steps. That's it. Connect through Bank Connections, sign in securely, select the right account, and you're set. When you're finished, disconnect from the same place with a quick confirm. Thanks for watching, and happy syncing.